You can knock it down. Use the other hand. There you go. You can do it. You try the other hand, Austin. Try the other hand. Try your other hand, Sweet Pea. Yeah, you can do it. Where's the mail? Where's the mail? Where's the mail? Yeah, where's the mail? Yeah, the mail's in the mailbox, isn't it? You gonna go check the mail? You gonna go check the mail? Oh, were you tootin'? Is that a toot? Go check the mail. Show Mommy what's in the mailbox. What's in the mailbox? Yeah. That's the mailbox. Yeah. There's the mail. Good job. The mail's in the mailbox. That's right, buddy. Can you get it out? There it is. There's the mail. It's easier if you go through the bottom one. There it is. Can you bring the mail to Mommy? Austin, for Mommy? For Mommy? Can you bring the mail to Mommy? For Mommy? Come on. For Mommy? For Mommy? Yeah, Mommy would love the mail. Austin, for Mommy? Close. Oh, another piece of mail for Mommy. Is that for Mommy? Austin, is that mail for Mommy? For Mommy? Yeah, come on. For Mama? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Here, for Austin. Go put it in the mailbox. Thank you. Yes, you can have it. Can you put it back in the mailbox? Austin, can you put the mail in the... That's not the mailbox.